Bhai, Kedia Sahib.
Good evening to all.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Yes, Vikas Bhai.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Neera Bhai.
Good evening, Central Council member, Regional Council member.
Good evening, sir. President, sir.
Welcome, President Sunil sir.
Yes, Mr. Chairman. On time.
Welcome, Aniket Bhai.
A lot of participants have joined.
Yes, Aniket.
Good evening, all, and we welcome you all. Srejat Bhai?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we are playing ICI Moto song. I request all the participants to put their right hand on their heart.
य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति य एष सुप्तेषु जाग्रति कामं 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 कामपुरुषो पुरुषो निर्मिमाणः निर्मिमाणः तदेव शुक्रं तद्ब्रह्मा तद्ब्रह्मा तदेवामृतमुच्यते तस्मिन् लोकः शतः सर्वे तदूनात्यपि कश्चन एतद्वैता 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 एतद्वैता.
Now I request Chairman of Ahmedabad branch, CA Fenil Shah, to give his opening remarks. Thank you.
Thank you, Bishan Bhai. I would like to welcome our past president from Ahmedabad, CA Sunil Talati sir, his son, and our regional council member, our central council member, and a guiding source to all of us, our dear friend, CA Aniket Talati ji. And you can say so much August gathering all present here. If I start speaking the name, then I can say I can open the chat box, and I welcome immediate past chairman Ganesh Nadar ji, then CA Malay Pandit ji, always a helping hand to us whenever it comes for any crucial decision with respect to tying up with government or connecting. The respected CA Jainik Vakil ji, I can say CA Nirav Choksi, our past regional council member CA Purushottam Khandelwal, our managing committee member CA Rahul Maliwal, regional council member CA Chintan Patel, managing committee member CA Anjali Choksi, secretary sir CA Bishan Shah, and I can say the list is long. I'm not taking a time because we are here for a very important agenda. So I welcome you all on behalf of Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICA, or I can say Apdi branch, right? I welcome you all. Today, there are two main agendas. You all might be aware of that on 29th of February, we took the possession of the land. And after that, we had a dream that we will start working on our new iconic building, ICI Bhavan, soon after that. But after that, COVID-19 came, the pandemic scenario started, the lockdown started. But in amidst of all these things, we, all the managing committee members, under the guidance of Aniket Talati ji, we didn't stop. In whatever way possible, we kept on continuing. And presently, we are on a very good stage, of which Aniket Bhai will soon update you that on which position we are standing right now with respect to this particular building. And you can say that the broad agenda of having this particular meeting is, one, to get the update of the status of building. Second is, there is a new infrastructure policy and there are many changes on which our CCM sir will guide. Third is, we as a team strongly believe that અમે લોકો તો એક માધ્યમ છે, રાઈટ, કે આ બ્રાન્ચના બિલ્ડિંગના જે પણ નિર્માણનું કાર્ય છે એની અંદર એક્ટિવલી પાર્ટિસિપેટ કરી રહ્યા છે. બટ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ઓનલી વી, but it is all your suggestions, all your input which is going to guide us more. So tamara badhana suggestions we will invite here, and we will also request you that we want your active participation and involvement to develop the world-class building of Ahmedabad branch, and anyone who comes to Ahmedabad would love to visit our ICI branch. That is the main agenda to have this particular meeting. And before I hand over to Aniket Bhai, just I would like to invite you for two things. One is, tomorrow morning from 9:30 to 10:30, the WIRC office bearers are going to visit Ahmedabad branch. So we request that if possible, you all can join at branch from 9:30 to 10:30. Also, I am sharing the invitation with you soon after this meeting by mail. And second is, Ahmedabad branch is getting an opportunity to host International CA Students Conference. And it is happening both on physical and virtual mode. This is like once in a lifetime opportunity branch gets. So we wish that you all motivate your article assistants to participate in the same, in this particular, which is going to happen on 16th and 17th January. So with this brief words, I would not like to waste a single minute, and would now I request Bishan Bhai to take the meeting ahead.
No, corrections.
So we are having with us our Central Council member, and now I request CCM sir to take it forward. Yes.
Thank you very much, Bishan Bhai, Honorable Chairman of the branch, Fenil Bhai, the three regional council members, Chintan Bhai, Vikash Bhai, Hitesh Bhai, the managing committee members, the office bearers, Harit Bhai, Secretary Bishan Bhai, Rahul Bhai, Anjali Ben, Sunil Bhai, everybody else who's present here, the immediate past chairman, Ganesh Bhai, under whose chairmanship and due to a lot of efforts of his personally being involved in this process, like was mentioned on 29th of February, we were able to take possession of this grand plot, which is of 5,500 square yards. And I had the privilege that many of you who are present here had also physically been there to bless the branch when we took the possession. And Honorable Chief Minister Vijay Rupani had attended in the presence of our Honorable President Atul Bhai, Vice President Nihar Bhai, the immediate past President Praful Chhajat ji was here. And I will fail in my duty if I don't acknowledge the efforts of Jainik Bhai, who was our past chairman, who was extremely instrumental in making sure that in the record time of a few months, I believe sometime in July is when we had put a request to the Honorable Chief Minister. And I'm so glad to mention to you that he was immediately convinced when Jainik Bhai took us there and said, no, you make an iconic building, ek bhavya building banavjo. અને પછી દુર્ગેશભાઈ હોય, દેવાંગભાઈ હોય, બીજા બધા યમલભાઈ ને બધાની મદદથી we were able to also connect with the collector, who was also very keen that we build a building which is world class. In fact, he had given the slogan that it should be an iconic ICI Bhavan. And on 26th of January, though the corporation office was closed, he signed on the file and asked us to take over the possession, which we did eventually on the 29th of Feb, when entire payment towards this plot was made and we had this grand opening. Well, as you are all aware, immediately after taking over the possession of the plot, we were all struck by a pandemic and things couldn't move as per the speed that we would have wanted. Yet I'm proud of the entire managing committee, especially the efforts of Harit and Bishan Bhai, who both relentlessly pursued this area of the building infrastructure. They were constantly chasing me in terms of what will be the next steps. And I'm happy to inform that as a managing committee, we decided that before we move towards the tendering process, let us try and understand, since none of us comes from the construction field, of what is the possibility that can be done on the plot. We interacted with a lot of architects, and eventually, as per the infrastructure policy of ICI, we opened a tender and RFP for the appointment of architect, which you're all aware was hosted on the branch website, on ICI's website, was printed, and I wanted to be extremely transparent in the process. So the printing happened in the two leading newspapers of Ahmedabad, that is Times of India and Divya Bhaskar, and we got responses. And finally, we've been able to shortlist and propose to Infrastructure Development Committee of ICI at Central Delhi level for the appointment of architect. Only 3 days ago, the meeting was held there, and they have in principle approved the appointment of architect. So that one important phase of taking over possession was done. And now the second phase of the appointment of architect is on the verge of completion. And as you are aware, the process now involves us giving the architect our requirements. That what is it that we want in this iconic ICI Bhavan? What are the facilities? What are the features? What is it that you want in the process of this branch building getting built? And કહેવા માટે નથી કહેતો, I think ફેનિલ ભાઈએ પણ કીધું, અમે બધા મેનેજિંગ કમિટીના 11 મેમ્બર ખાલી નિમિત્ત બન્યા છે. આ સ્વપ્નું જે હતું કે એક ભવ્ય બ્રાન્ચ બિલ્ડિંગ બને, which is befitting almost 12,000 chartered accountants and 35,000 students of Ahmedabad and the area around Ahmedabad. I think each one of you, whenever you have served our alma mater at whatever level, at the branch level, at the regional level, you all also had this passion and dream for yourself and for the profession that we want to have a grand building, a gala building befitting the profession. And I'm eternally grateful to all of you and to God for giving me this opportunity, making me the medium through which we could realize this dream, giving the opportunity to this entire managing committee. Because in every resolution, I am so proud to tell you that all 11 of us have unanimously approved every single process in all 11 IDC meetings. And I think that speaks volumes about the culture of professionalism in Ahmedabad, the unity of Team Ahmedabad. Because at the central level, I've seen many project proposals, and there is always somebody who has some issues or something of the other. But we have worked in such great unison. I am truly grateful to the entire managing committee, the regional council members, and the office bearers of the branch who have been immensely supportive of this initiative that we are taking. And let me share with you that yes, in fact, this delay was in fact a blessing for us, because now the council has approved a revised infrastructure policy, and our eligibility in terms of land initially was 18 crores, which the council, again, very proud to say, unanimously said that for a branch of the size of Ahmedabad, this should not be the limit. And 28 crores was sanctioned for acquisition of this plot, which is probably the highest in the history of ICI. And now for construction, we will have a budget close to 25 crores as per the policy. And here we totally intend to be within the policy, because based on our requirement and needs, I believe this amount shall be sufficient for a branch of our size. And then in the future, whenever the next generation takes lead, they may want to expand. I'm sure the council and the institute will be forthwith and forthcoming to ensure that the expansion can happen. But the very purpose of today's meeting is I would like to share for just the next 5 minutes, because it is not going to be a one way. I want to solicit views of all of you. I will just share with you a small presentation to just bring you up to speed with what is happening with the branch. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, Aniket, it is visible.
Yes, sir. So as I mentioned, the title is ICI, the iconic ICI Bhavan, which the Honorable Chief Minister and the Municipal Commissioner of Ahmedabad had given us the title for. This is what we are trying to open up. Well, the existing ICI Bhavan, as you are all aware, located at 123 Sardar Patel Colony. This has served us well for almost 23-25 years now. But this was built with the membership of almost 1,500 to 2,000 in mind. And now, when membership has crossed 6 to 7 times, the student registrations are 10 times of the size that it was during 1997. We have outlived this capacity of the building, and therefore we needed a new building. The existing infrastructure facilities, we are all aware, there is a Shantinath Hall, which is able to only seat 230 persons, members or students, and the KV Patel Hall, which can at best seat 70 seaters. These are the present activities and the facilities available at the branch. We at the managing committee have then tried to understand the concept of iconic. We looked at various buildings and we took help of certain architects who have been very forthcoming and helped us in designing what should be the vision for the branch. Iconic building, the Honorable Chief Minister mentioned about IIM Ahmedabad, again in some controversy recently, but very important iconic building. The NID, the GNLU and other campuses which have made Ahmedabad the learning hub of the country. And in similar direction, we thought that let us give them a brief of what we think should be there. And based on our past experiences, my interaction with some past chairmen, the basic requirement is in 4 blocks. The admin center, which deals with the branch office, the DCO, chairman's cabin and the managing committee, certain additional cabins for now, the virtual conferences that regional council members and central council members do, a counter for students and members to have their queries resolved, and arbitration cum disciplinary room where arbitration proceedings the branch should take up. It should become a center for arbitration. I think again a suggestion which one of the past chairmen had given, and we have tried to incorporate that. We will have a museum and a digital wall which showcases the proud history of ICI, of accounting, and more importantly of Ahmedabad branch. All of you as past chairman, regional council members, I truly believe must be recognized for all the efforts you have been putting up. The academic center will require 4 large rooms of 100 students, 3 rooms of 50 students, 7 GMCS rooms of 60 students. And again, we are all in the virtual world right now. But I believe all of you will agree that especially for CA students, the training on communication can never happen just virtually. We will have to have them come over, and when this pandemic is over, attend these classes in a physical mode so that their communication and IT skills can be improved. The IT lab, which is required, and the ITT and the advanced ITT course have to be run. So that is the academic requirement. A convention center, which could seat up to 500 people, along with the catering requirements and other areas that were to be required. So this was listed. I hope the map is visible on your screen right now.
Yes, sir.
So the existing branch is highlighted here on the right next to the Sardar Patel Stadium. This site is just 5 kilometers from our existing branch. So very much on the heart of the city. I was very keen, and the entire managing committee was also very keen, that we do not cross the SG road. Badano view ek જ હતો કે SG road ઓળંગવો નથી, આપણે આ side રહીએ city ના, so that it is still accessible for major part of the members and students. And therefore, we were able to find this only plot which is on this side of the city. And well, this is the contextual image of the site. It's a huge plot of 5,500 square yards. And the actual space available is slightly larger. I'm happy to share, because of the way the boundary was created, we are effectively in possession of a slightly larger plot than what is on paper. This is the view. You can all see we've put up our hoarding and taken possession from the both sides. Now, if I talk about the FSI, the total requirement of the total built up carpet area based on the current land and FSI of 2.7 can go up to 70,000 square feet for the balance FSI which will be available. Construction can be 1,80,000 square feet. So we have huge area for construction. We have also taken the help of a few architect firms who have prepared this concept for us, where they have given the option of having an L-shaped building, which is right in front of you, or maybe having a single tall tower and leaving out space in the front for maybe a garden, open area to do events, or making 2 parallel buildings of the same size and utilizing the FSI, or doing a mix and match. Based on this, we have been given a certain study by 2 architect firms, the HM Architects and HPA, who divided the entire building into certain parts. Very glad to state that they did a solar radiation incidence study, so that we want to have the building to be very well efficiently managed in terms of the solar. And we will try to bring up as much as 90% efficiency so that natural lighting, sunlight can be utilized. In terms of the design, well, certain concepts, we wanted to give it the Gujarat flavor, the Ahmedabad flavor, the traditional flavor. And this is the proposal from one of the architects looking at some international buildings, that a concept of glass bricks, as you can see in front of you, can be used. So this depicts the traditional design of Ahmedabad, at the same time looks modern. Certain images have been given to us. Here in front of you, you can see the image. This is the glass bricks which are being currently just introduced in India, and I don't believe any project in Ahmedabad is using this. It's a unique feature that we are trying to, again, maybe have. It will all depend on the discussions that we have. And a grand ICI Bhavan. Another option was also given to us by HP Architects. Again, a very modern and contextual design with a huge lobby in front, stairs to go up. As you can see on the right, you can see 3 floors where the office space can be. And the block here in front of the building, where you can see the trees and the word ICI, well, that is going to be the proposed auditorium based on this design, which will be at a height. So this was the clear design that was available from both architects. We are still working. And again, let me share with you that if this is the design for 4 floors based on our requirement, it will totally suffice our current requirement. But in the future, let's say 10, 15 years from now, if the then committee decides to increase the capacity, they can use the balance FSI and take an additional 4 to 5 floors. And the building will then eventually, after 15, 20 years, look like this, which will be a huge building in terms of the number of students and members it can cater to. So with this, I conclude the presentation. I hope I was able to take you through the contextual brief that we have been able to think across. We have listed out certain basic requirements that we have in terms of the academic requirement, classrooms ketla joise, auditorium joise, managing committee and conference na rooms joise. E upar, my sole main objective of interacting of mine and of all other 10 managing committee members as a team with all of you was that we want to solicit your views, seek your experience. Some of you are involved in some education institutes. Some of you are involved in certain not-for-profit organizations. And there, if you have seen certain newer concepts of what are being used in the market, that we would like to incorporate and share with the architect. કે અમારી requirement A, B, C, D, E આટલી 5-6 વસ્તુઓ છે. અને એ મારે તમારી પાસેથી સૌ પાસેથી જાણવી હતી અમને બધાને. Because we as a managing committee truly believe that the entire wisdom doesn't lie with us. It is with all of you seniors that we can take guidance. And therefore, I would now leave the house open for views from all of you. Whatever comes to your mind, I would request, please lay it out in front of us. We can have a discussion on that. We would love to note it down. I would request Harit, who has taken a lead in this project along with Vishen by the secretary, to please note down all the suggestions. And we will then definitely discuss them in the next IDC meeting, because we are moving ahead with the the agreement and the contract with the architect, giving him the brief, and hopefully we'll have a design ready very soon so that the commencement of construction can happen as soon as possible. I once again thank all of you, Honorable Past President Sir, past council members, past regional council members, past chairmen who have all joined. There are more than 30 people, so I'm not taking names of all of you, but you have all been a very important part of my training with the branch at the regional council. Some of you with whom I have had the privilege of being in the managing committee, and I sincerely look forward to hearing from you and absorbing the views that you have. Thank you very much. I hand it over to Bishan Bhai, who can then request on the basis of seniority the views of all members. Thank you.
Thank you, Central Council member, Sir Aniket Bhai. Now I request past president of our institute, CA Sunil Talati sir, to give his views on the same.
Yeah, thank you so much. I thought I should be the last one to speak, but having given this opportunity, I would say the requirements have been nicely described by the Central Council member. I have 2-3 suggestions to be made. One is you should have ample parking. So please see that you have minimum 2 sellers for parking, so at least 1,000 cars can be parked and at least 1,000 two-wheelers can be parked. That's point 1. Point 2, kindly see that the open area of the land where we can have garden and lawn is large enough to accommodate at least 1,000 to 1,500 chartered accountants and students, so that any gathering with snacks or dinner is organized, we can have it in the ground floor and need not use the office premises for that. That's point 2. Point 3, though it was mentioned, but yes, construct in such a way that you should keep 50 years or 70 years in mind. So on both the building, you should leave the strength and pillars and other thing in such a way that next 4-5 floors are to be constructed. They can be easily constructed without much damage. And 5th, as Honorable Chief Minister has mentioned, and expectation from the membership are that yes, make it a very nice and attractive, real iconic building. So much so that now today, if any tourist is there and a bus of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation is hired, they take you to NID, they take you to museum, and they take you to IIM. Our building should be such that this bus will also take that here is a building of ICAI. So kindly keep that in mind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As suggested by CCM Aniket Bhai that I should ask for the suggestions on a seniority basis. But sir, nothing offensive. It will be very much easy for me to invite through alphabetically by looking at the participant list. So now I request. Yes, sir,
maybe
please.
the past regional council members, if they can speak first, and then chairman, you can take up in any order. I just would prefer to follow protocol. Apologize, Bishan Bhai. So maybe
Okay.
Our past regional council members are here. Ajit Bhai is here. Butt Sahib is here. Bailal Bhai is here. Priyam Bhai is here. So maybe the regional council members, if they can speak first.
Okay. So Ajit Bhai, if we can start with Ajit sir.
Yeah, so I have just joined and I have seen and I have heard the Aniket also, and I have seen the pictures which he has shown. So it will be a beautiful building, and I am sure that we can go ahead and, as rightly said by Sunil Bhai, that instead of thinking of 15-20 years, we should thought of 50 years, so that in future there should not be any kind of a difficulty arise. And rightly said by Sunil Bhai that the bus stand should be known, so everybody can say that where this bus will go, that they say it will go to ICAI. So it is a good suggestion, and many will have to give the suggestion. So thank you very much, Bishan.
Thank you, sir. Dilip
thank
Bhai
you, sir.
Dilip Bhai request kari Dilip Bhai sir.
Divisha sir. Okay. Dilip Bhai sir. Till then, if we can request Durgesh Butt sir.
Sure.
Or BK sir.
Yeah, BK sir, Ramesh Bhai bhi છે, પણ બુટ સાહેબ ચાલુ કરે પછી આપણે બેઓને રિક્વેસ્ટ કરીશું. Yes.
Aniket,
Sir.
મારા એક કન્ટિન્યુઅસ પ્રોસેસ છે અને ચર્નિંગ કરવું પડશે, પણ એક મારા મગજમાં એક એવું આવે છે કે if you can use your good offices અને coupled with the blessings and efforts from Sunil Bhai also, first branch of Accounting Research Foundation should be in Ahmedabad. It should be housed in this building, which would interact on various issues, different stakeholders, including government, including industry. Iconicness એવું બને કે જેમાં આપણા જે સ્ટેકહોલ્ડર્સ છે એની સાથે આપણે કન્ટિન્યુઅસ ડાયલોગ એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરી શકીએ, અને તો જ આપણું બ્રાન્ડિંગ કે તો જ આપણી વેલ્યુ વધશે. એટલે એકાઉન્ટિંગ રિસર્ચ ફાઉન્ડેશનની જે રિક્વાયરમેન્ટો હોય, અને મે બી એકાઉન્ટિંગ અને ગુજરાત ઇઝ નોન ફોર ટેક્સ ઓલ્સો, તો એકાઉન્ટિંગ અને ટેક્સેશનમાં રિસર્ચ એક્ટિવિટી માટેનું એકોમોડેશન થાય. સ્ટેટ ઓફ ધી આર્ટ લાઇબ્રેરી બને, લાઇબ્રેરી અને રિસોર્સ સેન્ટર. એટલે આઈ એમ શ્યોર ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઇઝ ગ્રેજ્યુઅલી કમિંગ આઉટ વિથ everything online, including the resources. એટલે એક આઈડિયલ રિસોર્સ સેન્ટર જો બનાવવામાં આવે અહીંયા આગળ, તો that would be also great help to especially young અને small and medium practitioners. જો feasibility હોય અને જો FSI balance પડી રહેતી હોય, so I would suggest to establish some practice rooms. અત્યારે જે આપણે નવી જે પ્લગ એન્ડ પ્લે ઓફિસનો કન્સેપ્ટ આવ્યો છે, તો યંગ પ્રોફેશનલ્સ કેન હાયર ઇટ ઓન ટાઈમ શેર બેઝિસ. They don't have to invest into office. એટલે એવા નાના નાના ક્યુબિકલ્સ along with facilities like a business center જો establish કરવામાં આવે તો young practitioners especially can practice sitting in the place provided to them, which would of course be chargeable. એટલે eventually it is going to be a revenue generating proposition. એટલે આવી બેટર નાની નાની વસ્તુ છે. લાઇબ્રેરી સ્ટેટ ઓફ ધી આર્ટ ઇઝ ધી મોસ્ટ એસેન્શિયલ થિંગ, ઇન્ક્લુડિંગ ઈ લાઇબ્રેરી. એટલે એ જો આપણે એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરી શકીએ અને ડિસન્ટ રીડિંગ રૂમ ફોર સ્ટુડન્ટ વિચ વુડ બી સ્પેશિયસ ઇનફ. બીજું જે આપણે બ્રાન્ડિંગની વાત છે ને આઇકોનિક બિલ્ડિંગ ને આપણે મ્યુનિસિપલ રૂટ આપણા નામે ઓળખાય, તો બિફોર વી સ્ટાર્ટ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટિંગ ધી બિલ્ડિંગ, we should adopt the entire length of road on which our land is located. And we should adopt it from the municipal corporation for maintenance purposes. And ત્યાં આગળ એમાં પણ આર્કિટેક્ટને જો ઇન્વોલ્વ કરી અને કોઈ થીમ બેઝ ડેવલપમેન્ટ આખા રસ્તા ઉપર આપણે કરી શકીએ, in terms of plantation or in terms of the outlook of different buildings on the road. એના માટેના કન્સલ્ટેશન્સ કરીએ તો ઇવેન્ચ્યુઅલી આઇકોનિક રોડ અને આઇકોનિક બિલ્ડિંગ બંને થશે. અને ઇફી સર્વિસ ધી મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશન બાય અવર જેસ્ચર ટુ મેન્ટેન ધેટ રોડ, તો ઓબ્વિયસલી એ રોડ જ આઈકાઈ રોડ તરીકે ઓળખાશે ને ICI would be the destination. બાજુના પ્લોટમાં એક આઈ થિંક મ્યુનિસિપલ કોર્પોરેશનનો પ્લોટ પડ્યો છે. એટલે we should also suggest the municipal corporation for establishing a bus terminus there. મોટા બસ ટર્મિનસ જ્યાં આગળથી બસ સર્વિસીસ પણ મળે. એટલે આવી થોડીક વાતો મગજમાં હતી, પણ આઈ થિંક બધાને સાંભળ્યા પછી એક વખત I think we will send you a WhatsApp message or not. બીજા કોઈ વિચારો મગજમાં આવે તો. અને thank you very much for this initiative of bringing all the road bearers of Ahmedabad branch together in this meeting and asking for the valuable suggestions. I think this is a unique approach and this must be appreciated. So full compliments to Central Council member and entire branch management committee under the leadership of Fenil. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now, if Dilip Bhai sir is available, then I request him. Divisha sir.
દિવિશા સાહેબ અવાજ નથી આવતો.
BK sir.
રમેશભાઈ ગેડિયા સાહેબ છે પહેલા, પછી
હા.
ભાઈલાલભાઈ. 2004 પછી 7.
Okay, sir. Kedia sir, please.
Thank you very much. And I would like to congratulate the present office bearers and the CCM and everybody for acquiring and taking efforts for developing this infrastructure as well as calling this meeting. And whatever has been stated earlier by Durgesh Bhai and Sunil Bhai, of course, I am on the same page with them. And I really appreciate those suggestions will also add a lot of value to the branch. I have a couple of other suggestions also. One suggestion is to make this building as power neutral by utilizing solar power. There are huge advancements in the field of solar energy, and let our building be power neutral and particularly iconic in terms of environmental friendliness. This is a very, very important aspect in the present day. And with so much of FSI and the space available, we can certainly do that. So that is one requirement we can put to the architects. that will help us establish a real iconic building in all aspects. And the second suggestion I have is that we should also include a very small residential area, because we have lots of faculties who are visiting. There are people who need change rooms at times when they are attending seminars and things like that, along with academic activities. Like in our other buildings, we have a small area which is earmarked for such short-term residential requirements and faculty requirements. We can have devote one area to address that particular need also. Maybe a couple of rooms or 4 or 5 rooms, that should be enough. But that should be there. And we also will need a cafeteria. We have not included a cafeteria, but such a large building with such a large footfalls, we must have our own cafeteria also, which will serve whatever, small little refreshment and things to our student and member population who are visiting there. So these are the three things which have come to my mind. And of course, as we keep on thinking over it and unfolding how things will happen, probably more suggestions might come, then we can share it down the
Sure,
line.
sir. Sure, sir. We will request Bishan Bhai and Harit Bhai to also probably devise a form, and we can take this feedback in that form.
Yes.
Now, Bhailal Bhai, Raju Bhai, and then Priyam Bhai and Purushottam Bhai. I believe I've covered all regional members in that order.
I guess I had talked with Dilip Bhai. So if his
Yeah, if it's audio, yeah.
Dilip Bhai, I guess there is some technical error on that his part. So
Might be he had not unmute his call.
ના અનમ્યુટ છે આઈ થિંક કઈક પ્રોબ્લેમ છે નો મ્યુટ નો લોગો તો નથી આવતો એમના પર ભાઈલાલ ભાઈ રિક્વેસ્ટ કરીએ પછી મે બી વિલ ટેક દિલીપ ભાઈ ત્યાં સુધી બિશન ભાઈ જરાક રિઝોલ્વ કરો ને પ્લીઝ
એમને ડિવાઇસ નો કરવાનું કેવું પડશે.
Okay, am I audible?
Yes, yes,
audible, Bhailal bhai. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Typically, CCM and the chairman of Infrastructure Committee, Ahmedabad branch, and very happy New Year to all of you. Sir, I really appreciate that you have conceived idea to get the viewpoint of the all concerned and the stakeholder in the institute building. Really, I compliment that the managing committee and yourself has taken up a very beautiful building idea concept. But Sunil Bhai, Durgesh Bhai, and Ramesh Bhai has few of my ideas has already been shared, and I hope that that will be taken care of. To my mind, this is not an institute only building. It is a research activity based also. It is a learning activity based also, and also a administrative building. How best we can provide all these facilities in this building, that should be looked out. And very rightly, looking to the present requirement, parking, lookouts, open space for cafeteria, all these good points are been covered. I think in the days to come, this building is very, very, very interesting for serving the members and the students also. Chairman, sir, I would also like to add one point that Ramesh Bhai has shared, idea of solar. I would like to state that I being of Sardar Dham, you might have heard something about the Sardar Dham. It is a Vishwa Patidar Kendra, and we have established more than 750,000 square feet area in Vaishno Devi, and it is likely to be inaugurated by in the couple of days. Kindly have a look at it. Otherwise, I will send you my details of the prospectus, which we have conceived the idea for the training center, and how training center can be the best and one of the good, convenient to the faculty, to the students, to the learners, to the visitors. All this area we have considered, and kindly look at it, whether it's suitable to us, and it can be taken for our acceleration of the further idea. Thank you, Chairman, for inviting all of us to share our views on this point. And I wish that this building be not only a most convincing and impressive building, rightly said by Sunil Bhai and Durgesh Bhai also. So I have nothing to more add, and I wish that the building should be completed within target so that the institute level, nothing happens negatively for completing the mission. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And we will definitely visit along with you, take the opportunity to see Sardar Dham, sir.
I will send you. I will send you first prospectus. I will look at it and then have if anything to be adopted, it can be copied pasted. No problem.
Thank you, sir. Raju bhai.
Thank you. My first compliments to Aniket and the entire Ahmedabad branch team, because in these pandemics, we are of the feeling that because of the pandemic, this project has been stopped. But no, they are already working on it, and the progress is really good. And I am sure everyone will enjoy the project. I fully have the compliment with the Sunil bhai for the parking, because demand of the day is the parking. And as the number of people are coming over there, then we should have the sufficient parking to take care of that. So I think that would be important. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Priyam bhai and then Purushottam bhai.
First of all, congratulations, Aniket, and entire Ahmedabad branch for this initiative. મોટાભાગના પોઈન્ટ તો કવર થઈ ગયા છે. એક તો ઇફ પોસિબલ ટ્રાય ટુ ગેટ ધ ગ્રીન બિલ્ડિંગ સર્ટિફિકેટ, એટલે એ રીતના એક કન્સેપ્ટથી બિલ્ડિંગ બનાવવું જોઈએ. સેકન્ડ થિંગ, એઝ ફાર એઝ ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી ઇઝ કન્સર્ન, વી શુડ હેવ ધ ઓલ્ટરનેટિવ એનર્જી, એટલે સોલર પેનલ ને એનું બી તમે એક વિચાર કરી શકો એની અંદર. યસ, દુર્ગેશભાઈ રાઇટલી કહ્યું કે ભાઈ મેમ્બર્સ માટે સ્ટેટ ઓફ ધ આર્ટ લાઇબ્રેરી હોવી જોઈએ અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સની બી હોય. સ્ટુડન્ટ્સનું બી સફિશિયન્ટ. આપણે WRC માં વી હેવ એક્સેલન્ટ લાઇબ્રેરી અને ઇટ શુડ બી રિસોર્સફુલ લાઇબ્રેરી કે વેર વી important practicing details are also available. એનું ધ્યાન રાખવું જોઈએ. રાજુભાઈ જે પાર્કિંગની વાત કરી, તો nowadays we can go for double height parking. એટલે તમે ડબલ ફ્લોર કરો અને એમાં બી ડબલ હાઇટ રાખો તો we can have a 4 floor parking. And now the lifts are very much available at a reasonable cost. એટલે હાઇટ રાખી દો અને as per requirement we can go for increasing the strength. Cafeteria ની વાત થઈ ગઈ. I think કેડિયા સાહેબે rightly said. But I think these are the main points, most of the covered. Thank you.
Thank you. Purushottam bhai. Sir, mute.
Congratulations to Aniket bhai, Chairman of the Infrastructure Committee, entire Managing Committee for such a wonderful work and bring a project to Ahmedabad. મારા મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધી પૂર્વ પ્રવક્તાએ સુનિલ ભાઈ, દુર્ગેશ ભાઈ, રાજુભાઈ, પ્રિયમ ભાઈ જે કીધું એના સાથે હું કોન્કર કરું છું. માય કન્સર્ન ઇઝ વિથ ધી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ. રીડિંગ રૂમ અનિકેત ભાઈ કેટલા સ્ટુડન્ટ માટે કરવાના છે, એમના માટે કેફેટેરિયાની વ્યવસ્થા અને ફૂલી ઇક્વિપ લાઇબ્રેરી જે એ લોકોને ત્યાંથી બુક્સ અવેલેબલ થાય, ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટમાં ફ્રીક્વન્ટલી કંઈ ચેન્જ થાય તો પણ એમને કરી શકાય. બીજું અમારે એક રિક્વેસ્ટ છે કે મેમ્બર માટે પણ એક લાઇબ્રેરી બનાવો જે લેટેસ્ટ ચેન્જીસ હોય. ઘણા મેમ્બર જે સિનિયર મેમ્બર છે જે ફ્રીક્વન્ટલી ચેન્જીસ આવે એના સાથે કોન્ટેક્ટ કરી શકે, મેચ કરી શકે, ઇક્વિપ કરી શકાય, એના માટે પણ કરો. બીજું ઓપન હાઇટ લઈને જગ્યા છોડવામાં આવે તો આઇકોનિક બિલ્ડિંગ સારી લાગશે. અને આપણી પાસે ફૂલ FSI છે. પાર્કિંગની જે કે તલાટી સાહેબે ઓલરેડી સુનિલભાઈ વાત કરી છે, પાર્કિંગ એટલી જ મોટી સમસ્યા છે. અત્યારે આપણે એક્ઝિસ્ટિંગ બિલ્ડિંગ સાથે કમ્પેર કરીએ તો મેઇન પ્રોબ્લેમ પાર્કિંગની છે. બીજું સોલાર એનર્જીની ઓલરેડી વાત ખેડે સાહેબે કરી દીધી છે, સોલારની પાવર ન્યુટ્રલ. પ્લસ હું જે કહું કનેક્ટિવિટી શું છે અનિકેતભાઈ, મેટ્રો ટ્રેન એના નજદીકમાં છે ક્યાંય કે નથી સ્ટુડન્ટ માટે કંઈ એનું?
No, the bus stop is right next to it. Metro, I think next phase માં આવશે. અત્યારે એ બાજુ એક મેટ્રો નથી, પણ થલતેજ મેટ્રો is not that far. So that થલતેજ મેટ્રો will be very close. Maybe બસમાં 2 સ્ટોપ કે 3 સ્ટોપમાં આવી જશે.
બીજો નિકેતભાઈ, ફેકલ્ટી માટે રેસ્ટરૂમની વ્યવસ્થા કરવી જોઈએ, જો કે ઓલરેડી પૂર્વ વખતે કહી દીધું છે. એ પણ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ છે કે બહારગામથી ફેકલ્ટી અમને ફ્રીક્વન્ટલી આપણે હોટલ લઈ જઈએ, એની જગ્યાએ આપણે જો બ્રાન્ચમાં એની કરી શકીએ તો વધારે સારું. બીજું કોન્ફરન્સ રૂમની કદાચ બોર્ડ રૂમ અનિકેતભાઈ બનાવવાના છો તો બનાવવાના કેટલા લોકોનો બનાવીને ચર્ચા કરી શકાય. જે રીતે આપણે આજે ઝૂમ મિટિંગમાં છે, પણ જ્યારે મીટિંગ નું પતી જાય, ઓવર થઈ જાય, તો ફિઝિકલ મિટિંગમાં જે મજા છે એ ઝૂમમાં નથી. કદાચ બ્રાન્ચે મળવાનું થાય તો આટલા બધું ઓલરેડી પહેલા બોર્ડ રૂમ પણ હતી આપણા બ્રાન્ચમાં, ને એનાથી ભવ્ય બોર્ડ રૂમ બનાવો એવી મારી શુભેચ્છાઓ છે. ને ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ સારી બિલ્ડિંગ બનાવવા માટે. થેન્ક યુ ડિયર.
Thank you. Yes. Now over to past chairman. I believe Hemant.
Dilip bhai.
દિલીપભાઈને ટ્રાય કરી.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Dilip.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
બિશન,
Yes, sir. Yes, સંભળાય.
આવે છે મારો અવાજ?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. First of all, I am very much thankful to all our managing committee members, Ahmedabad branch, Aniket, and your whole team for giving me this opportunity to address to this August gathering. સૌથી મોટી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વાત એ છે કે જે આટલી મોટી જગ્યા ઉપર આપણને આટલી સરસ આઇકોનિક બિલ્ડિંગ બનાવવાની જે ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટી મળી છે, એ ઓપોર્ચ્યુનિટીમાં આપણા જે બધા લોકો છે એ બધાના કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન અંદર થાય અને નાના મોટા હજુ સજેશન્સ હોય એ સજેશન્સ લેવાય. ખાસ કરીને પાર્કિંગ બહુ મોટો ઇસ્યુ છે. એક બીજું એપ્રોચેબલ ઓફ ધ સાઇટ, કારણ કે આજે પુરુષોત્તમે જે કહ્યું કે ભાઈ ત્યાં મેટ્રો ટ્રેન અથવા બસ સ્ટોપ કે જે કઈ નાની મોટી બીજી વ્યવસ્થાઓ હોય, કારણ કે અમદાવાદ ઇઝ સ્કેટર્ડ. ઈસ્ટ સાઇડ તમે જાઓ તો ઘણી દૂર સુધી અમદાવાદ પકડેલું છે અને પ્રેક્ટિસિંગ એરિયાથી બી આનો ખાસ એક બીજો વિચાર બી થાય, કારણ કે લગભગ આપણી અત્યારે પ્રેક્ટિસિંગ ફર્મ્સ જે છે એમાંથી આર્ટિકલ્સ અવર પૂરા કર્યા પછી ક્લાસીસમાં આવવું હોય અને લાઇબ્રેરીમાં આવવું હોય, તો એ બધી જ રીતે એપ્રોચેબલ થાય. આ બધી જ વસ્તુઓનો ખ્યાલ રાખ્યો અને જે ડિઝાઇનિંગનું જે શરૂઆતનું જે વાત એકદમ એડમાયરેબલ છે. અને અત્યારે આપણું જે પ્લાન છે કે ભાઈ અમદાવાદમાં પણ સુનિલભાઈ કહ્યું કે લોકો આ બિલ્ડિંગને એપ્રોચ કરે, આયામની એ બધી કક્ષામાં આપણે બિલ્ડિંગ કરવી છે, તો આ બધા માટે અમારી શુભેચ્છાઓ. અમારા તરફથી જે કઈ સપોર્ટ જોઈએ એ બી સપોર્ટ અમે કરશું અને મારી ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir, I will move to the past chairman. I believe Hemant bhai છે, પછી પરિમલ બhai છે, Malay bhai છે. So all three, one after the other. Maybe.
Yes, Chairman, I am Hemant Shah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This opportunity to share my views on the present upcoming building. First of all, congratulations to all those who are involved in this mega budget project. My only concern was whether we can decentralize some of the 4 activities that you have proposed in the new building. આપણા નવા બિલ્ડિંગમાં જે 3 કે 4 તમે જુદી જુદી ફેસિલિટીઝની વાત કરી, એમાંની કોઈક ફેસિલિટીને એક્ઝિસ્ટિંગ બિલ્ડિંગમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી શકાય અથવા ત્યાં જ રિટેન કરી શકાય એવું જો ગોઠવાય તો નવા બિલ્ડિંગમાં આપણને બાકીની 3 ઇવેન્ટ માટે કે બાકીના 3 આઈડિયાઝ માટે વધારે જગ્યા પણ મળે. પ્લસ અત્યારે જે બિલ્ડિંગ છે ઇટ ઇઝ ઓલરેડી ઇન ધી વિસિનિટી ઓફ ધી મેજોરિટી ઓફ ધી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, ધેર ક્લાસીસ એન્ડ ઓફકોર્સ પ્રેક્ટિસિંગ ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટ્સ ઓફિસીસ. તો એવું કંઈક ચોક્કસ વિચારી શકાય કે આ જે આપણી એક્ઝિસ્ટિંગ જગ્યા છે એનો પણ ઉપયોગ એવો જ સરસ થઈ શકે અને નવી જગ્યાનો એના કરતા વધારે સારો ઉપયોગ થઈ શકે. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Malay bhai, પછી પરિમલ bhai.
Thank you very much, first of all, to you all, and specifically who are putting their all efforts for this new vision and making us proud of it. So, Central Council member, Regional Council members, and all branch committee members and part of this team. As everyone said, it is going to be a really iconic building and extraordinary brain thoughts you all people have put into this. As rightly said by Hemant bhai, what we can do with existing premises and what facilities we can switch some here and there also. so we can use both the premises in the best manner and make it more comfortable to everyone, students and members. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, just to add here before Parimal bhai, you speak, and then maybe Devang bhai and Jainik bhai. Just that I would like to inform all of you, though I would have loved to, use both buildings. The policy of the infrastructure is very clear and categorical for branches of ICI, that you can only be allowed one infrastructure site because of various logistic and other reasons. Even in regional offices, they are now not allowing multiple locations. So that may be a challenge, but I take all your points in the right spirit, and we'll try and see what best can be accommodated. Yeah, Parimal bhai, over to you. Then Devang bhai, Jainik bhai.
Yes, first let us congratulations to the infrastructure committee for doing such a marvelous work. Secondly, I am very much grateful to you permitted all to share our views. So almost everything is covered by my predecessors, but let me to add or amplify. Number one, as Sunil bhai rightly pointed out for the parking. So let me amplify, because if at present it is a 4-story building, we may have X number of cars, then let us keep it in mind. Okay, if we have 8 floors, then that will accommodate the full car parking and two-wheeler, because if whatever we are enjoying today in Tagore Hall, because we never feel, they might have thought before 50 years there may be lot many cars, and today we never feel any deficit in Tagore. Number two, in Atma, when we go today for any study circle, we see there is a car facility. Car can go up to the first floor. That is what the vision before 50 years. So today I can say, let us keeping the future in mind, can we make the provision for the helipad, either in the building or nearby, if it is possible? Because once again, when we see the future. And third, my recommendation, as we see in School of Architects, students are reading in the lawn and outside area. Rightly, we have got a very much open space. So can we keep the point for the laptop or transition to where the cafeteria for reading also this can be used the place. That's all. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.
Yeah,
Chairman sir, Niren bhai is there.
Yeah, Niren bhai છે. મને પણ એક જ request, Jainik bhai has to just push out. He has requested. Jainik bhai, if you can share your views first, because I believe he has to go for some place. Yeah, Jainik bhai.
Congratulations to Aniket and his entire team, and also thank you very much for at least asking and given us opportunity to sharing our thoughts. આમ તો શું છે કે રિજિયોનલ કાઉન્સિલ મેમ્બર કે સેન્ટ્રલ કાઉન્સિલ મેમ્બર થયો નથી, એટલે બહુ છેલ્લો વારો આવ્યો, અને લગભગ બધાએ મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધ પોઈન્ટ્સ માય પ્રીડિસીસર્સ હેવ કવર્ડ. બટ મને એક એવું છે કે ક્લાસીસ એક પહેલા પણ બ્રાન્ચ માટે એક બહુ મોટું રેવન્યુ મોડલ હતું, અને અત્યારે પણ વી શુડ સિરિયસલી થોટ અબાઉટ ઇટ, અને કઈ રીતે ક્લાસીસને બ્રાન્ચના બિલ્ડિંગમાં જ એકોમોડેટ કરી બેસ્ટ ફેસિલિટી સાથે, અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે જે અત્યારના અમદાવાદમાં લગભગ નોટ ઓનલી અમદાવાદ પર રાજસ્થાન અને બધા રિજિયનમાંથી આપણે ત્યાં સ્ટડી માટે આવે છે, તો એના માટે આપણે પ્રોપર ક્લાસીસની જો ફેસિલિટી આપીશું તો આઈ એમ શ્યોર કે રેવન્યુ મોડલ પણ બનશે, અને ઓન ધ સેમ ટાઈમ બ્રાન્ચની એક રેપ્યુટેશન પણ બહુ સારી બનશે. અને સેકન્ડલી એક હેલ્પ ડેસ્ક આપણે બહુ 4-5 ચાર્ટર્ડ એકાઉન્ટન્ટો આપણા ફેટર્નિટી મેમ્બર્સ છે, દે કેન સીટ, દે કેન ગાઈડ, અને પ્રોપરલી સેટરડે, ફ્રાઈડે, સેટરડે માટે 2 દિવસ માટે આપણે રાખી શકીએ, એમને આપણે બધી જ ફેસિલિટી પ્રોવાઈડ કરી શકીએ એવો એક મોટો રૂમ. અને down the line, every chartered accountant who wants to avail their services can come to that help desk and avail that service. So આવું એક બે વસ્તુ હતું, તો એને પણ એકોમોડેટ થાય તો I am very happy. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jainik bhai. Niren bhai, my first chairman.
Good evening, and Aniket, you really deserve my heartiest congratulations for the efforts that you have put in so far. It was our dream that Ahmedabad branch must have a beautiful building like what we have, in Bombay, in KBC building. So, we are thinking, or we are aiming at this kind of an iconic building, which is a very good thing. Before I start, I would really love to wish you all a very happy and very healthy new year. Now, coming to the subject proper, I've heard all the honorable past chairman, presidents, and everyone. So most of the points have been covered very much in detail. But Aniket, if you could give a fact sheet of the presentation that you have made, because it is very difficult to digest in a span of about 10 minutes, whatever you have shown in the presentation. So to grasp everything in a short time is rather difficult. So if you could send us fact sheet and give 7 days time to everyone to respond and then give their suggestions, which can be incorporated later on, it will be a wonderful thing. My only suggestion over and above the very useful and very dynamic suggestions given by all of us is that we must have a very ultra modern research center. Now, research center is something like, I have seen that in foreign countries, even in this Western countries, they have a beautiful research center where the members and the students can go and then make a research of on any subject or topic. So that will be a very useful thing over and above all the suggestions which I definitely agree with. And this one thing I would like to add. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share my views. And I once again congratulate Aniket and the very dynamic Ahmedabad branch team. Thank you.
Thank you. I've just noticed past regional council member and past chairman Kaushik Bhai's name is also there. I'm sorry I missed it. Kaushik Bhai, if you are here, I would request you to please share your views, sir.
Kaushik Bhai has just joined, so let me see whether he's.
Yeah, till then, Devang Bhai, maybe. Devang Bhai?
Good evening, everyone. So wishing you all the best for this wonderful building. And wherever you need us, we are always available to you. So you can make good use of us and we'll try and contribute our level best to this building. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Amrish Bhai. અમરીશ ભાઈ અવાજ નથી આવતો, કદાચ પેલું હેડફોન બંધ લાગે છે. No, અમરીશ ભાઈ અવાજ નથી આવતો, સાઉન્ડ તમારો કદાચ પ્લગ્ડ ઇન નથી, સર.
હવે સંભળાય છે?
હવે યસ.
હા, સૌ પ્રથમ તો અનિકેતભાઈ તમને ચેરમેન ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચર કમિટી તરીકે ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન, ખૂબ ખૂબ શુભેચ્છાઓ. તમે જે પ્રોજેક્ટ હાથમાં લીધો છે ભગવાન તમને મદદ કરે, પૂરું કરે, અને એન્ટાયર ટીમને પણ ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. મારા મનમાં જે એક વાત હતી એ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ માટેની છે, એટલે પહેલેથી મારું એટીટ્યુડ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પર તરફી રહ્યું છે, એટલે એને એ રીતે ના લેવાની જગ્યાએ એને પ્રોપર પર્સપેક્ટિવ થી બધાને લેવાની વિનંતી છે. મારું કહેવું એમ છે કે આપે જે અનિકેતભાઈ કહ્યું કે જે ડિલેના કારણે આપણને વધારે ફંડની લાભ મળ્યો છે, તો એ ફંડ એ સિવાય કેન્દ્ર સરકાર, રાજ્ય સરકાર, ઘણી ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ્સ અને બધા મેમ્બર્સ ને બધાની જોડેથી ફંડ કલેક્શન કરીને અને આપણે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ માટે આટલા બધા 35,000 સ્ટુડન્ટ છે, પણ એમાંથી બહારગામથી જે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ અમદાવાદમાં આવે છે, જે આપણે કહીએ છીએ કે આપણું હબ બની રહ્યું છે સીએસ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ માટે અમદાવાદ, તો એમના માટે રેસિડેન્શિયલ એકોમોડેશન જેટલું થઈ શકે એટલું, આપણી જોડે વિશાળ જગ્યા છે, ફંડ અવેલેબલ થઈ શકે છે, તો એટલું ભલે 500, 250, 1000 સ્ટુડન્ટ જે નીડી બેઝ હોય, જેમની તમે સ્ક્રીનિંગ કરો કે જેને જરૂરિયાત હોય, બહારગામના હોય, એટલા જ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને એકોમોડેશન મળે. બધાનું થઈ શકે એવું તો પોસિબલ નથી, પણ જેટલું પણ થઈ શકે એટલું અત્યારે હવે આ તક છે, તો એ મારી દ્રષ્ટિએ જો થાય તો સોનામાં સુગંધ પડે એવું થશે. થેન્ક યુ એવરીવન.
Thank you, Amrish Bhai. Vikas Bhai and Chintan Bhai are both my colleagues in the infra committee and pillars in accomplishing this project. तो हमने नहीं कहूँ. Maybe Nirav Bhai, if you are here, Nirav Bhai, if you can share your thoughts.
thanks Aniket bhai. Congratulations and a long way to go, I should say. We have just begin, but complete trust on you and your entire team. તમે બધા જે બી કરશો સારું કરશો. અમારા માટે કઈ બી હોય, shortest of notice પર તમે કહેશો, we will be there to help you out because you all are doing fantastic work. એક ખાલી considering the present requirement and I see કે future માં બી એની જરૂર પડશે. આપણે વિડિયો લેક્ચર્સ રેકોર્ડિંગ રૂમ એક પ્રોફેશનલ બેઝ ઉપર હોય ને, તો બીકોઝ ડાઉન ધ લાઈન બધાને ટેવ પડી ગઈ છે હવે ઓનલાઈનની, એટલે કદાચ એવું થાય કે ગેધરિંગ ના આવે તો વિડિયો લેક્ચર્સ બી આપણે પ્રમોટ કરી શકીએ અહીંયાથી. સો that was the only suggestion which I had, and as all have said that કઈ બી આઈડિયા આવશે તો I'll surely share with all of you. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you. અને નીરવભાઈ તમારો ફોરેન્સિક લેબ નો આઈડિયા પણ I have noted. Thank you for that.
એટલે ફ્યુચરિસ્ટિક જે બી આપણા પ્રોફેશન છે ને, ફોરેન્સિક લેબ છે, ઇન્સોલ્વન્સી વેલ્યુએશન છે, આર્બિટ્રેશન ની કોર્ટ, આવા બધા જે આપણા એના બનાવીએ ને, તો ક્યાંક ને ક્યાંક આપણા મેમ્બર્સ વિલ ઓલ્સો એપ્રિશિએટ ધેટ there is a facility which is owned by the institute and which we can use whenever we need it. એ એંગલ થી મેં કીધું હતું. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Nirav. Harit and Bishan bhai, over to you.
Yes, sir. We have noted all the points, and as per your instructions and guidance, we will share the link also of the form as suggested. Harit bhai, if you want to add something.
No, I think thank you, Bishan bhai, and I think everybody we have noted all the points, and now thank you so much for all the constructive suggestions, and we look forward to sending you the Google Sheet soon, and look forward to having more suggestions from you in the days ahead. Thank you.
So thank you very much all. CCM sir, past president, we are proud, like no one can say that we have a past president other branches. We are fortunate to say that. So sir, thank you very much for giving your time, and all the past chairmen, regional council members for joining us and giving your valuable suggestions. We will keep asking you all the suggestions. Ganesh bhai, if
મને માંગણી એટલી જ રહેશે બિશનભાઈ કે થેન્કફુલી આ વખતે ફંડ ભેગું કરવાની જરૂર નથી પડી. સો વી હેવ નોટ કમ એન્ડ હોપફુલી વી વિલ નોટ કમ ફોર ધ ફંડ્સ. Our institute, your and mine, is thanks to Almighty and the brand of the profession, we are not for the fund. But what I will request all of you at some point is we will use your good offices to get the best rates possible when we negotiate. Maybe additional thoughts like you can share. We have kept the entire process extremely transparent in terms of acquiring from government, private party ને ઇન્વોલ્વ નથી કર્યા, અને બધું જ ન્યૂઝપેપર થ્રુ ને ટેન્ડરિંગ થ્રુ કર્યું છે. પણ છતાંય જ્યાં પણ પોસિબલ હોય, આપના કશે બી કોઈ કોન્ટેક્ટ હોય, ક્લાયન્ટ હોય ને આપણે કશે પ્રાઇસ રિડક્શન કરી શકતા હોય, તો I would look forward to support from all of you. Thank you.
So sir, shall we end this meeting now? Okay. Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.